Mission Station on Space to Ground.
Welcome to Space to Ground. I'm Haley Fick. The SAGE-3 experiment measures the Earth's sunscreen, or ozone, which is important to protecting life on our planet. SAGE-3 was robotically installed to the outside of the space station this week. SAGE makes its measurements by locking onto the sun or moon and scanning the limb or thin profile of the atmosphere from the unique vantage point of the space station. Visiting vehicles bring important science, but it usually means more work for the crew. Thomas Pesquet tweeted about how the crew takes on additional work to unload the cargo, but the work starts even before the vehicles arrive. Currently, the crew has to remove and reinstall control panel assemblies, or CPAs, which control the bolting and unbolting of visiting vehicles to designated ports on the station every time one comes and goes. The crew spent time this week testing a new concept that would allow them to simply fold the CPAs out of the way without causing any interference issues. Our Twitter question this week comes from Yvette Wheeler. Yvette wanted to know which food astronauts miss the most while in space. Luckily, the astronauts are on social media to tell us for themselves. Science is not the only thing cargo vehicles deliver. Shane Kimbrough tweeted this week that he was excited to enjoy fresh fruit delivered by the SpaceX Dragon vehicle. We're working on techniques to grow food in space so we can have fresh fruits and vegetables on long-duration missions to places like Mars. In fact, the crew worked on an experiment with corn seedlings this week that studies how the transport of auxin, a hormone that plays a role in plant growth and development, is affected by microgravity. Fresh foods are important, but a special treat is a sweet way to be reminded of home every once in a while too. The SpaceX cargo vehicle delivered macaron cookies for French astronaut Thomas Pesquet's birthday. Keep sending us your questions using the hashtag #SpaceToGround. We'll see you next week.
Subscribe for more space.